last year, and because we are one of the first two research hubs founded by EPSRC, and we had to make a start. We have to recruit researchers. We have to work with companies, sign collaborative agreements. But the major research activity was done, focusing on working with the supply chain to automotive industry, because in the UK, the automotive industry is doing very well, which is led by Jaguar Land Rover as one of the key partners of the hub. But the supply chain, where the component come from, JLR is utilizing, and it's mainly supplied by very small and medium-sized companies. And those companies normally can't do much research to support themselves. Smaller companies can come to us, utilize our expertise and facilities to generate ideas or to try their own ideas. That's working with the industry. And working on research. And we made a major breakthrough on an area scientific called nucleation, because transforming liquid metal into solid, you need to start to create an embryo, which is about a few nanometers, and then they grow to consume liquid to form the solid. At the very beginning, called nucleation, it's difficult to understand, difficult to do experiments, difficult to follow up the process. And we take on this challenge, and particularly last year, we made a breakthrough now. We have a framework to understand how the atoms come together, forming the first small embryo, which triggers all the nucleation process, and later on the growth process to deliver better materials. We develop alloys which are suitable for closed-loop recycle to deliver our long-term goal. And for example, at the moment we develop an alloy, working with a company, and which is almost 50% stronger than normal alloys, and which has been marching into automotive industry in the UK and of course North America. And we can see that our branch is developing better, largely into other alloys and other components, other applications. The impact of our research outcome from the liquid metal engineering research hub actually is quite wide. We started with, we see the mining company. If our research going very well for the next 20 years, if our full vision being realized, the mining industry going to be very, very small, and which is fortunate, not good for jobs, but very good for global economy and for environmental protection. But a major development going to be on the recycling of metals. And currently the small business is future going to be huge, and it is the UK particularly important because UK currently don't produce much metals, and if we can fully utilize metals already exist in the UK, so we no need to rely on other people to supply the critical metals. In the UK, every year on average recycles 1 million ton aluminium, and half of that is recycled locally in the UK, but not into the original applications. For example, not from car to cars, but from car to other lower grade applications like steel making. And we see the technology and the materials developed within the hub can convert the 500 solid ton scrap aluminum currently exported to other countries from the UK, can be recycled locally, and which roughly can generate over £1 billion per year. That's sort of an economic impact we can produce.